In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see previously recorded Zoom meetings on PC. If you've recorded meetings locally on your computer and you're not sure where they went, this quick walkthrough will help you find them right from within the Zoom desktop app. Start by opening Zoom on your PC. On the main dashboard, look for the gear icon at the bottom left. That little gear is your settings button. Go ahead and click it. If your window is resized or you're on a slightly different layout, the gear might shift a bit, but it will still be the settings icon. This opens a separate settings window where you can manage everything from audio to backgrounds. And, most importantly for today, your recordings. Inside the settings window, select the recording section. This is where Zoom manages how and where your local recordings are saved. You'll see a label for the local recording storage location. This is simply the folder on your computer where Zoom places the files each time you hit record during a meeting. If you've never changed it, it's set to a default location, and Zoom will show you the exact folder path so you know where your recordings live. Right next to that folder path, you'll see an Open button. Click Open. Zoom will launch your computer's File Explorer and take you directly to that location. No hunting around required. This is especially helpful if you're not sure how your folders are organized or you've forgotten where you saved things. Zoom does the navigation for you. Once File Explorer opens, you'll be inside the main Zoom Recordings folder. In here, you'll find individual folders for each meeting you recorded. Each folder is typically labeled with the date and the meeting name, making it easier to recognize what's what. Inside those folders, you'll usually find the video file of your meeting and, if applicable, separate audio and chat files. If you've recorded multiple sessions, you can sort the folder list by date to quickly surface the most recent meetings. If you don't see what you expect, it often means the meeting was saved to a different location previously, or it was recorded to the cloud instead of your computer. In that case, double-check the location shown in the recording section so you know exactly where Zoom is pointing. And there you go. That's all you need to do. Open Settings from the gear icon, head to Recording, note the local recording storage location, click Open, and view the folders for each meeting you recorded on your PC.